Welcome to another episode of Big Lee's Corner. Another unboxing. This time, um, also from eBay. NASCAR Wave 2 of 2018. Well, at least this time, they're easier to open, unlike the ones I did in the last video, which was just a few minutes ago in real life. This time, I got bubble wrap. I guess I got them all out of here. Anyway, first of all, start by saying who's all available. And by the way, last video, and ironically, this was the one I picked up without even looking. Talk about how he wasn't available in the last series. Kyle Busch, the 2015 champion. And speaking of 2015, and I kind of mentioned him, except this time it's his Xfinity car. Kevin Harvick in the number 98 Hunt's Brothers Pizza, as soon as I remember what it's called. And the only multiple Cup champion in his last year in the Lowe's car, Jimmie Johnson. And this guy's first year outside of RCR and jumped to the 21 Woods Brothers car. And ironically, I just got this one from the Paul Menard in the number 21 Motorcraft Ford. And Paul Menard's former teammate, Ryan Newman, in the Granger car. And Paul Menard's other former teammate, Austin Dillon, the Daytona 500 winner again, in the Dow car. And finally, a driver of the 24 I can actually get behind, because he's a little underrated. Never mind that he's the most recent Xfinity champion, William Byron. So yeah, 24 has finally moved to the second Hendrick driver I would cheer for. If that ever came down to the 4 Hendrick drivers, Bowman, Byron, Johnson, Chase, in that order. Two for two. And Joe Gibb haters are really going to hate this one. Another Kyle Busch in the NM's Carmel car. The NASCAR All-Star win of May 20th. And finally, hopefully I showed all 9 of them. Ironically, I've been wanting this one the moment I laid eyes on it. It's kind of Brad Keselowski's sort of Xfinity version of his Cup car. The number 2 discount tire car. First time I've seen it without the 22 on it. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner. I'll try to have a nice day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.